Welcome to another edition of Bosch Solves. Today we have a customer indicating that their AC doesn't seem as cold, and they are getting an odd odor in the car. We start with a rapid DTC scan on the ADS 525X or ADS 625X diagnostic scan tool. We don't get any codes, but we do see a TSB for the odor. Because our machine is already out from the last vehicle, let's use it to check the high and low side pressures. The large, easy-to-read gauges of the Robinair 34788 NIH hybrid AC machine allow us to see everything is working properly. Because we're not finding anything wrong with the AC system, we'll check the airflow inside the cabin. We'll control the blower motor and blend door using the ADS 625X by going into Body Electrical, Air Conditioner, Data List, and running the fan to 31. The blower motor sounds labored, and the airflow door seems to be working properly. So let's check the filter. The cabin air filter appears old, clogged, and disgusting. Definitely needs to be replaced. We'll replace it with a Bosch 6055C HEPA cabin filter. Once we put the new filter in and replace the compartment cover, we turn the vehicle back on and verify that the AC is back to functioning as it should. We'll check vent temps with the 10597 pocket thermometer to read the vent temperature. Perform a post-scan with rapid DTC scan from our diagnostic scan tool to ensure all issues are addressed. Then we can get this vehicle back to the customer. And that's how Bosch solves a vehicle with a faulty AC. Bosch, the global leader in the automotive aftermarket, providing solutions for every shop.